So what we're standing in is, and there are three principal elements of the building plus the reception area in the middle. What we're standing in is the education space. The intent is that in each room there will be multifunction devices, screens to enable learning to take place, and they're all intercommunicate with each other. So good visibility between spaces, again to make sure that we can see the building as we go through it. And then we move from reception into the main collectible space, called collectible space, because there are several different ways of using this space designed into the plan. So this space here is a central sort of comms type room, which is being formed as part of an element of the scheme. Against this far wall, there's going to be some individual discrete pods and learning areas. We have a central sort of meeting and greeting space, and then some more informal meeting and greeting down the outside. And then to the last main space at the end. So three principal spaces plus a reception gap. And this is what we're calling the plenary learning space. So for sit-down conferencing type meeting and performance spaces. So you'll see what we're in the process of doing is creating some stage seating so that you can actually take a seat and then look towards the screen or presenter. The ambition, if we come around this way, is to try and achieve an integrated solution where we've got the old building with modern elements, doing modern things into it, as you can see from the shot.